Welcome to Tumtech TUI, exploring modern war, science, and military technology. Missiles, drones, stealth, strategy.
In modern warfare, few systems demonstrate the combination of physics, engineering, and precision like the ballistic missile. A ballistic missile is composed of several key sections: the payload, the guidance system, the fuel tanks, and the rocket engine generating thrust.
The journey begins with the boost phase. The rocket engine ignites, producing high-pressure exhaust gases that force the missile upward.
As the missile climbs, it continues powered flight during the ascent phase. During this time, onboard systems monitor speed, direction, and altitude. Small adjustments ensure the missile remains on its intended trajectory.
Its position without relying on external signals. This allows it to operate independently, even in contested environments.
Trajectory, a curved path determined by gravity and momentum. At this stage, the missile is no longer powered, it simply coasts toward its target. This arc, often spanning hundreds or thousands of kilometers, is carefully calculated before launch. Even minor deviations can significantly affect the final impact point, requiring protective shielding. Guidance systems may perform final adjustments to improve accuracy
by physics and precision engineering. Ballistic missiles remain one of the most complex and consequential technologies ever developed, where science, strategy, and motion converge in a single trajectory.